What a poor jellyfish. She's been polluted. Please save her. Nice. You're an excellent doctor. Let's feed the hungry jellyfish with yummy things. Awesome! It's getting really high. Mr. Turtle has been knocked over by the anchor. Could you help turn him over? Good job! Hey, would you help recover his broken turtle shell? Good job! He must be hungry. Why don't you give him some food? Awesome! It's getting really high.
dairy-o, the dog takes the cat takes the mouse, the cat takes the mouse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cat takes the mouse. The mouse takes the cheese, the mouse takes the cheese. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the mouse takes the cheese. The cheese stands alone, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone. Hi-ho, the dairy-o, the cheese stands alone.